A Filipino childhood game is getting a new life online, as a group of Filipino students from Ilocos turned the traditional game of Bangsak into a multiplayer video game. Officially called Bangsak Water Rising, the game aims to introduce the Filipino game to younger players today, in hopes of preserving the tradition even in the digital age.
Pinaka-goal po namin is to educate yung mga young generations about may ganitong game pala tayo or may ganitong game pa kami. Ano mga bata kami nilalaro namin. Puro mobile games na lang sila, hindi na sila lumalabas. The way we promote or preserve our tradition is to, pag hindi natin sila parang napapalapit sa mga traditional game, lalapit na lang natin yung traditional game sa medium na alam nila, which is yung mobiles or mobile games, computer games.
But how does this version work? Just like the original game, players are divided into two sides, the seekers and the hiders. This time, however, the map slowly floods, making the playing area smaller.
Sa digital game po, hindi po kasi parang catchy yung one game lang. Kailangan po ng replayability at repeatability. So we decided to add more features to the game while keeping the core intact. One of which is yung parang nilagyan namin siya ng PUBG mechanics, wherein it is a battleground. Yung tubig or yung buong map is unti-unti siyang na-flood, so lumiliit po yung mapa. Yun yung parang naging twist niya.
The characters also come with their own superpowers, and they're also inspired by Ilocano culture and folklore, including Ella, an empanada vendor, and Lamang, based on Ilocano mythology. There are also characters dressed in 90s, like Kael and Katala. Even the game map is also inspired by Lawag City.
Yung layout po ng game is based po sa Lawag, yung capital ng Ilocos. Lagi po akong bumibisita. Like, yung sulok-sulok po is tinignan ko kung ano yung mga building na andoon and nasaan yung exact places po. And yung color palette na pwedeng gamitin po.
And while the team started developing Bangsak as college students with support from the DOST, they are now hoping to polish the game further and make it available online and for closed beta testing before the end of the year.
Right now po, we are only able to play the games through local area network or using within the same network or Wi-Fi. So we are trying to re-architect our networking architecture so that it can work with within the cloud.
From the streets of their childhood to the digital world, these young developers are hoping for today's young players to experience the same joy of playing the game they once grew up with.